Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you can see all the available icons. Now just to add or remove or just to change the positions of some icons, you should click here on this edit icon. Here we can see the 6 visible icons. We can add them now just to our notification panel. Here, just to do that, you should hold it and drag it here to this up section by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. Just to remove some icons by the same way, hold it and drag it here to this down section. As can you see, that's so simple. Just to save the changes, just go back here, and now you can see here the changes on our notification panel. Just to change the position of these icons, hold and drag it by this way. So as can you see, that's so simple. These 4 icons we can just move together, just twice together, as can you see. So for example, we'll do by this way, and then just go back. You will see here the changes. So as can you see, that's all simple, and that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.